Hi everyone, it's Carissa with the Boys and Girls Club Youth Center. We're back again with a DIY craft this week. This week we are going to be making galaxy jars. So in your kits you will find a jar with a lid, 2 popsicle sticks for stirring, 2 different colors of tempera paint, a little vial of glitter, and a bag of cotton balls. So the only thing that you're going to need from home is the water. So your first step is going to be to fill your jar with about 1/3 of water so that we can start with our first layer of making the galaxy jars. So your second step is going to be to take a bunch of one color of your paint, add it into the water, so once you've shaken your jar and gotten all your paint mixed in there, what you're going to do is take some of your glitter and add a little bit into the paint solution. This is to create stars in your galaxy jar. Step number 4, you're going to take your cotton balls, them up, and start separating them and spreading them open a little bit. Fill up the rest of it with water. So once you get all of your cotton balls in there that you need and you put your lid back on, you will have your galaxy jar. Thank you so much for joining us this week, and we'll see you next week. We are making homemade soap.